Hindi ko po kilala si Congressman Barsaga. I don't want to even entertain what he said. But I think, ito na lang ang sasabihin ko. Our actions will define what he just said. Hindi ako pupunta dito sa i-deny ko, whatever. Hindi na lang. Hintayin nyo na lang siguro yung mga aksyon na gagawin natin sa mga susunod na araw, susunod na linggo. And I think the people will judge us by our actions. Not by what we say, but by what we do. Doon tayo i-judge ng taong bayan. At uulitin ko, sinabi ng Pangulo, walang kamag-anak, walang kaibigan, walang kaalyado. Lahat ng kailangan managot, dapat managot. And our actions in the next few weeks, I think, will allow the people to judge us whether meron ba tayong sinasanto o wala. I know House Speaker. Who doesn't know House Speaker Martin Romualdez? No? I know him. I've known him since even during the past administration. He was a congressman and the majority leader. But it's immaterial. Immaterial yon. Pero salita lang yun eh. Pag sinabi ko kasi dito na immaterial yon, bagay-wala yon. Ano yun eh? Salita lang yun eh. But I think, at the end of the day, we are judged by our actions.